Hello, everyone. This video is for my six-figure blueprint. This is a my six-figure blueprint review that I'm going to be giving to you guys, and I'm excited about this opportunity. I haven't promoted an opportunity brand new that I was excited about in a very long time, and I'm glad to bring you guys this video because this is going to give you an overview of how the system works, what to expect when you decide to join this opportunity, and basically how much you can make by working from home, online with internet access. And what I love is that this opportunity is going to help a lot of people really understand how the online space works and what to do when you join an online business and how to generate traffic for your business so that you can be successful. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. I promise to bring you tons of information that's going to allow you to make an educated decision on if this is the program for you. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and show you the website that I actually put together for those who decide to come into this opportunity and join me in this program. And what we're going to do is allow the website to do all of the selling and telling for us. What we love is when we have an autopilot system that allows us to kind of take a step back, and it explains how the program works and what you can do when you join this opportunity. So this opportunity is going to give you instant payments. You're not going to have to build out a website. You're not going to have to build out a capture page. And you're going to also get the email swipes that's going to go out on your behalf to the prospects and people who are interested in your online business. So this is going to be a program where you're going to just basically focus on traffic. And don't worry if you've had traffic problems in the past or you don't know what that means or how it works, because I'm going to explain to you some of the different strategies that you can use to get ongoing traffic, whether it's through video marketing, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. If you're going to do email marketing, maybe solo ad providers, there's so many different ways, text messaging, that you can utilize to get traffic to your link. It depends on how much time you have, how much money you have, and what you feel comfortable with using as your traffic strategies. So for me, I like to use video marketing. But before I started video marketing, I was just using mainly email marketing and social media. Okay, that's how I started. So with this simple system, it's going to be easy to set up. It gives you exactly what to do in your back office once you are a member. There are no hidden fees, no technical learning curves, anything new that you have to learn in order to start earning. There's no surprises with the system. It's very straightforward. And on top of that, you don't have to worry about any upsells. There's a lot of times when people get into programs, they have upsells where they're required to buy this, that, and the third in order to start utilizing the system and really understanding what they need to do in order to be successful. A lot of the times, people don't have the traffic that they need when they are promoting their business. For my team, we're going to be holding a training within 2 to 3 weeks where I'm going to teach you my strategies, but I'm also going to give you as a bonus a tool that you can use to get unlimited leads to any business of your choice, any business that you're currently promoting, or if you're going to be promoting this business, you're going to have a tool that's going to help you to get unlimited targeted traffic to your link. And then last but not least, there's direct payments, instant direct payments that's going to go to you. And it doesn't matter if you're using Zelle, Stripe, Venmo, PayPal, whatever option you decide to use, you don't have to worry about your payments going through a middleman. You are going to get these payments directly. And I love direct instant payments when it comes to getting involved in programs like this. So we have a few different levels. They have the introductory level, which is a one-time payment of $15. You have the intermediate level, which is a one-time payment of $150. And then you have the high profit, which is a one-time payment of $400. And what I love is that all of these levels are affordable for the average person that's looking to start an online business. If you want to take your business to the next level, I highly recommend getting in at the top level. That's going to give you access to not only the high profit level, but the intermediate level and the introductory level. Where if you came in at, let's just say, the $150 level, you're only going to have access to this level and the $5 commissions. Coming in at the high profit is going to give you access to everything. You're going to be off to a good start. You're going to have all of the trainings that you need. You're going to be able to have your funnel set up quickly and learn the different traffic strategies that they recommend that you can use, whether you're going to be using offline or online strategies. Now, the owner, the person that came up with this system, I personally know him. And what I love is that he started out just like me, using mainly offline marketing through postcards and different offline marketing strategies before he came into the online space full time. And that's how I got started. So if you want to also learn how to take this business to the next level using offline marketing strategies, you're going to get a ton of different ways you can promote this opportunity within the offline space, utilizing drop cards, postcards, yard signs, car signs, and things like that. And it's way more than that he's going to give to you when it comes to the different strategies that you can use. So what I want to look at is that this system is a fail-proof system. There's no way for you to fail unless you just decide to come in and do absolutely nothing. If you come in, you set your account up, which is going to take you approximately 30 minutes. On top of that, go through the trainings on what it is that you need to know about the system and how it works, how to utilize your back office. You will start to produce results with the program as you continue to pump traffic to your link. So what I'm going to do is take this time and I'm going to show you a little bit of the back office and what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you some proof because we already have payments that are coming in from this system. Okay, so let's start with your My Six Figure Blueprint back office. And this is what you're going to see when you first come in. And I'm not going to go through everything today because there's a lot of stuff that's back here. But what we're going to do is break this down step by step so that you know exactly what you need to do. And it's not a lot to get started, but there are some digital products in here that's going to be more than enough in order for you to start earning with the system. So here, there's going to be a full system overview video that you're going to want to watch. And then you want to click start here in the menu bar above, which is going to be right here. So you have the read the system overview, which is a video. You're going to set up your payment processors. And you can actually set up more than one if you want. You're going to put that information in your back office, and then you're going to save that information. You're going to set up your marketing system, which is your funnel. If you come in at the $400 level, you're going to reach out to me directly so that you can get your customized website that I'm giving to all of my team members. You're going to get your traffic. Now you can buy traffic or you can utilize free traffic. It's really up to you. I highly recommend free traffic. Organic traffic is the best. And we're going to discuss in another video why I recommend organic traffic over purchasing traffic. And then you're going to request to join the team rotator. This is going to help you to get sales and signups quicker. And also this is going to get you more excited to stay in the program because you're a part of the team rotator where you're going to be able to get signups from the efforts of the company, but also your own efforts. So this is a team effort that's going to help you take your business to the next level. So here is the video. It's only a three-minute video. You should watch the video to the end. You have your profile, which is your information for you in your back office. It's going to have your referrals as they come into the system, how much you made, your links, and then join in the traffic rotator. And I highly recommend that you do that so that while you are building this on your own, you're also getting help from the rotator as well. We're going to be moving into these other tabs as we go along, but I wanted to share that with you, what you're going to get and what it looks like. It's very user-friendly. And what I love about it is that you're going to be able to benefit from the trainings that they give to you to promote any business, whether you get into another business 6 months or a year from now. And it's nothing like having the information to utilize, not just for this business, but also for other multiple streams of income. Here is a picture of my one of my payments that came in. I'm excited because, again, it hasn't even been a little bit over 24 hours that I've joined this opportunity, and I've already made my money back. Here I have $400 that came in, and I'm excited about this opportunity, and I'm going to help as many people as I possibly can to start earning consistently with this program. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.